Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to yet another vlog. I actually wanted to open this vlog earlier, but the day just got very hectic and I just needed to finish what I was doing, and I'm like, I'll open it when I get home. I'm actually at home, like my home where my parents live, and I just came back from McDonald's now. I was doing a campaign with them, which made me struggle so much because they gave us a voucher that we need to use to do to get the stuff that we need for the campaign, and I actually struggled. I went to the first McDonald's, I couldn't use it, drove up to another McDonald's, and even there I struggled, but I ended up being successful. I'm freely saying the campaign because by the time this video is out, I would have posted. I'll also just put a clip after this of what we were doing. But yeah, guys, the campaigns are a lot of work. I'm grateful, but they are a lot of work. Like, sure.
Run, don't walk.
McDonald's collectible cups are here, and this is how you can join the collection. Firstly, you need to download the McDonald's app in order to upsize your meal. So make sure that you download the app, you sign up, and then you go to deals. You choose your meal of choice with the collectible cups, and then you redeem your order. Thereafter, you will receive a barcode which you will scan on the ordering machine in order to finish the order. You can make the payment on the ordering machine, or you can go pay at the counter. Then you'll receive your food with the collectible cups. My little brother was so excited for the cups. He really couldn't wait. You too can start your own collection by doing exactly what we did. Enjoy!
I'm so tired. I need to sleep because I'm going to work tomorrow. But I promised my dad I'll be up when he gets back from work, and he's coming back at 12. It is 7 minutes to 12. Better come back in the next 7 minutes because I am literally dozing off. I mean, just because he called me this morning, is like, when are you visiting us? I was like, oh, I'm gonna visit you guys today after work. It's like, but you didn't tell us. I'm like, do I have to tell you to come home? It's like, no, you're welcome. But I knew I wanted to kill two birds with one stone. I haven't been home in a while, and like to proper being home and sleeping over and stuff. And also I wanted Randy to help me with the content that I was taking earlier. But they also got a bonus because I got to buy a meal for all of them as well. So it's a win-win for everyone. My dad is back and he's late, but I can hear the sound of a police car. Daddy.
Hello.
Daddy cool. Daddy. I'm sure one got your potty. I shall.
You don't open.
You didn't knock. You didn't knock.
No, didn't go on a TV. Is
Well, I think it's a good thing you opened for yourself. I'm sitting so comfortably. Here's my coffee. Here's my coffee. Can I have my coffee, please? Oh, Mara, just don't relax. I did ask us to have to on Thank you. I'm vlogging. Oh, my dad got me coffee. Thank you. Vlog.
Oh, if you vlog, and then the vlog.
Well, same, different. Similar, guys.
You're a drama.
Daddy cool. Woo, daddy cool. This is my payment this is my reward for staying up. It's not coffee, guys. I'm not drinking coffee at 12, but I do sometimes. This is hot chocolate. Yeah, it's so dark. Oh, Jenna Sunday. Bye-bye. Let me go to work. hot. Hi guys, yo, I am so tired, guys. Yo, I'm tired. I just want to go home and sleep. Oh, I just want to make sure at least by 6 o'clock I'm home. If there's no traffic, I'll be fine. I was I'm at the mall now. I'm at the mall. Guys, it's almost 6 and it's so light. This is confirmation that summer is here. Benekant. I was shopping at Greenstone, at Edgar's. I did a whole lot of shopping, guys. It's for a campaign that I'm doing with Edgar's and 1,000 other ladies. So I'll actually edit because I'll add video one because that's what I recorded as I was shopping at Edgar's. Now I'll edit so that you guys can see it. And please go and engage. Please, I beg you, please go and engage on IG, on Instagram, also with the McDonald's ones. Please go and engage on TikTok. That's for TikTok. I'm so grateful, guys. I'm so grateful for all these opportunities that I'm getting. But please, when you guys engage, it means a lot, and it means a lot for those brand agencies to recognize us as influencers. Guys, I'm an influencer. Wow. I'm having a dunked oyster box, my fave. I also got a free cup. I guess every restaurant is now doing free cups, so I don't know. Guys, the stuff at Edgar's, oh, what friendly people. There's a lady by the name Nobantu. She was so helpful. She was literally helping me find things, like, very helpful. The manager, everyone. Yo, let me go, guys. So let's go.
The first thing that caught my eyes was the very fashionable shoe range. I really didn't know Edgar's has such nice shoes. I definitely got myself this brown heel. I loved it so much. Their bag range is also very versatile. They've got nice, small, fashionable bags, as well as bags that you can use for work. I was definitely looking for a bag that I can use for work, and one small one. Now let's move to the clothing range. What I love about Edgar's is that you find different types of brands in one store, so it saves you the time. I absolutely enjoyed shopping and putting outfits together. The clothes are just super stylish. Then I saw the suit. I was like, Han, yo, I just want to hug you. You are so pretty. Spring is around the corner. Run and go get these cute hats. Anyways, here's this Han again. Ooh, very mindful, very demure, very cutesy. Oh, I love it here. And lastly, the staff at Edgar's deserve a raise. What a helpful bunch of people, very kind as well. I absolutely enjoyed my shopping. Look out for my haul coming soon.
So I'm feeling so hot, and then I go to the hospital cafe. I'm like, I need ice cream, Magnum. I'm thinking, Mama, 33, 35. They're like 53 rand. I'm like, what? 53. I ended up buying Red Bull. I'm like, let me get some wings. Much better than buying Magnum for 53 rand. I'm against the lighting, but yeah, it's really getting hot. It's really, really getting hot. Even worse for some of us who work on the road, who move from one place to another. It's hot. That's why I needed ice cream, but I can't deal. I can't deal with the net K prices. Ice cream for 53 rand.
We are awesome, bestie. Let's see who you're playing with this morning.
My neck has been sore for the past, I think I need a massage. Morning, guys. Happy Friday. I just dropped off my car at Toyota. I'm not at work got myself a red cappuccino. This is Millicent Mashile's peer pressure. Okay, I was influenced by her to get a red cappuccino. Anyways, because she's always talking about it. Why does it taste like rooibos milk mixed with cappuccino? It literally tastes like rooibos. And I don't like rooibos. So you know how I feel about the red cappuccino. It tastes like rooibos. No, it's definitely rooibos and cappuccino together. Anyways, guys, it's so cold. I'm underdressed for the weather. I do have a jacket, but a very thin material jacket, and I'm just like, what happened between yesterday and today? Because yesterday was extremely hot, and I remember at some point, I think I recorded that moment, all I needed was ice cream, but ice cream at Netk was 53 rand. I was like, no thanks, bye. I'm not gonna buy ice cream for 53 rand. And today I wake up, it's cold. So the driver that drove me from Toyota is like, how didn't you hear on the news that the weather is gonna change? I'm like, I don't watch the news. It's like, that's why. You'll never know the weather. You'll never know. Important things are gonna pass you while you're busy saying, I don't watch the news. I must start watching the news. I don't think I'm gonna buy this again. Thanks, Millie, but it tastes like rooibos on coffee. And I don't like rooibos. Rooibos makes me feel nauseous. I took my car in for service. Yeah. I'm telling this guy, it's so cold. It's like, how do you not check the weather? Thank you. I don't my name's Carlos. Do you not check the weather when you go out? Do you not watch the news? I'm like, I don't watch the aggression. Guys, my girl brought me a Tinky. She is so cute. She is so kind. Say hi. I'm actually gonna have coffee with this. Hello. Hi guys. Welcome to another day in my life. We are hiking at Cradle Moon. On the background of the picture. This is so nice. Don't fall.
Exactly. One thing about me,
You're not gonna fall. I like the rainbow behind you as well.
Oh, Muditile, Butilela. Ya, Wusupai, Supilema, Supatilla.
There's a wedding tomorrow at church. There's a wedding tomorrow at church. Perhaps for tomorrow. You are talking too much. So this is the famous Cradle Moon waterfall, and this is what we are here for. Yeah. We're here to hike. We are here to hike. Ba 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 ba. The journey begins. This is where we start the hike. Yeah. The view is absolutely stunning. Guys, look at this mini beach view. It's so nice. It's so nice. Actually, I must come here She's giving me ideas to come here on a date, actually. It would be nice. Not for the hike, but the restaurant and the views.
I don't think you should go like a lot of you.
At the same time, it's shaky.
Oh, are you guys scared?
You will swim with the crocodiles.
There are no crocodiles. Yeah.
Hey.
You don't think so?
There's definitely animals in here. I don't know what they are. Oh, the lighting here is so good. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go through that procedure that they're doing right there. I am not very sure. Bye. You can go. All right. Yeah, I think. Ndibo, ne? All of us. Yes. What are you saying?
I'm so scared.
I'm not doing it, guys.
Just do it.
But I have to, guys. We have to.
People, we can conquer. We can do this. Oh my word. Sharon, I thought you were adventurous.
I'm not.
You can do it. Yes, go. Yes, I'll hype myself. Guys, I'm doing it. It's not so bad. Whew. Kind of a child she was growing up. Don't do that! Ah! Ndibo, wait. Ndibo, stop it. Did it. Guys.
The aim was for you to show off your beauty. She forgot what was her purpose. She forgot why she was called. So why she was in there in the first place. So, and how many times do we forget? Exactly.
We always forget.
How many times do we
Forget our
forget?
may God help us to seek
His
clarity,
purpose.
so that we don't lose sight of where we need to
Of
go.
what we need to go.
May God help us to always want to inquire from Him. Is this the right route that I'm taking? Always go back and inquire. You know, because we waste out so much time, so much energy.
Guys, I've been at this hiking trail, but it's my first time being here. This is a wedding venue. This is a chapel. Oh, guys, do you realize that this is where we're at? Wow. We were here, like crossing over that bridge, and then we just went around. Definitely, I didn't do this route last time. But it's so smooth, the conversations are smooth, everything is just lovely. Yes, if you want to book here. But it's nice. I mean, for someone who's always in the city, I think this is nice because there's animals. Look at the monkeys. No, but... Hi, Ndibo. Hello. How are you? How are you? They are so cute. Hello. Hi, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Subscribe.
I'm scared of them.
Please subscribe. I think we are lost, but anyways, we've got good views because we can see the pool of this place.
There's also accommodation. You can come and stay here.
Yes. Pie. Hello. It's eating the chocolate. Hey.
Do you want me to give it a
So
sweet?
cute, and that was... So we changed. We registered for the 9 kilometers. We ended up doing the 5 kilometers. But I actually enjoyed it. I think what I enjoyed about it is that, like, even at the end of the hike, you still have energy. Sometimes is it really worth it to get to the end of the hike and you can't walk and your feet are sore? So it was very refreshing. Like the usual, walking around, spreading the word and sharing the word to each other and praying and just, yeah. Guys, I just got my collector's meal. I want to show you. I got this cup this time around. Did I show you guys the other cups? I think I inserted it somewhere. I bought lunch at McDonald's today and I collected my cup with the aim of collecting all 6. I'm going to collect them for my little brother. And yeah, morning guys. The way I keep forgetting you guys, I always remember you when I get to the car, especially on a Sunday. That's because I'm doing get ready with me's in the morning. So it's a Sunday and I'm wearing, okay, I'll insert my get ready with me. There's a wedding at church today and the theme is traditional. So I'm wearing casual, traditional, semi-traditional, elegant. I don't think it's elegant, guys. I'm wearing these pants. Anyways, let's go to church. See you guys now. Will not fail, never fail. Guys, today I used the Tembisa route to get to church. Our church is in Midrand, but you can find it via Tembisa or via Midrand, Allendale. But this is definitely quicker. You build your church, and the gates of hell will not prevail. Guys, I love church so much. When we bind and loose, and in Jesus' name we will not fail. Well, he asked so much in this to
No, you did me.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm the rich aunt who monitors everything.
Yeah,
And I'm
guys,
not doing anything.
And the boy is like that rich aunt who's late at a funeral. She's busy saying, guys, who could you she drew a finger now, Pastor? Please.
Waiting for you too.
Just for 2 minutes.
It's not for YouTube. You look so nice. Yes, sis.
Yes. I don't know how you do it. Boys only.
The rich aunties are chic. The rich aunties with sunglasses.
I don't come to church because of them.
You must come for it. Hello. Hi, you are definitely changing, right?
Yeah. Around the Angoroko.
No practice. It's been a while. It's been a while. Yes. Finally. Oh yes, representing the one and only. Is this better? Yeah, this is better. Looks nice even.
Today I'm standing here before my parents, before God, before my friends and everyone.
just here, Sister Zanelli, to say thank you. Thank you for being an amazing daughter. Thank you for loving us with an unconditional love.